Good morning, welcome to a morning outlook. This is Kim speaking on Thursday, the 22nd of June. So, looking at the euro dollar first, and well, yesterday it managed to continue its little bounce off the monthly pivot there, pushing back up towards this morning towards the daily 8 moving average, coming down the time frames. You see, didn't quite catch the monthly actually, it came off the weekly pivot there, the S1. Okay, so where from here? Well, it still hasn't put a high in. It's put lower. Just looking at the way this market's moving, there's still the potential for it to roll over some more. With yesterday's move, we've got the daily pivot below us at the moment, and that's within the overall picture of things could well be hit. Of course, the ranges and trading ranges are remaining narrow during the normal trading periods. In fact, that one of the bigger moves came sort of at 7 o'clock in the evening, so quite um, slow and choppy moments, times on the euro at the moment. So outlook then, if it breaks down this trend line, reasonable chance of getting back to that daily pivot even, and possibly, as I said, with a bigger picture. When you look at the 4 hourly picture, you sort of look at the sort of moves here. There is a possibility of it coming down some more, but we'll just have to watch that one work its way out. Okay, euro to pound. So the pound did manage a bit of an update in the end yesterday. Some positive notes, bullish notes coming through during the daytime there. Although most of the gains of that were given back, and it just sort of steadily rose there in the end. It's already caught the daily pivot here today. If anything, well, you do wonder if it'll push up some more, but we'll probably get the same sort of lead as the euro. If it coming back to that 4 hourly, same sort of similar-ish pattern. They're very choppy, but did have quite a divergence at the lows there. As I said, we had quite a strong move yesterday from that, and it's now consolidating. It looks more to me on this one that it may push up back towards yesterday's highs, maybe the R1. It just looks like it's been overdone a little bit more. Dollar yen. So dollar yen come off the monthly pivot there and selling off a little bit at the moment, which sort of ties up with what's happening with the cable at least. Done a little ABC correction at the moment in this movement. I'm still wondering whether we'll push on back upwards, as fundamentals may suggest it would do that, but at the moment it's slow in this overall movement. Now, looking above us, we have got the daily pivot there, which could be a draw for it at some point during today. Aside of that, if it starts selling off again, well, I'm looking at these prior lows here from the 16th of June, maybe down to that S2 and 200 MA, the whole combination sitting around this sort of level. So Aussie dollar sold off again yesterday, and well, it's not really got too much momentum or movement in it at the moment. Still looks like it could come off some more. It's very messy short term here. I mean, to me, it's pretty untradeable whilst it's like this. Or change my mind? Well, not a lot really. It's just so choppy during the daytimes, and difficult to get any sort of distance in it quite often. So what am I looking for? Well, any break of the highs here may push up towards the R1, previous highs there. Break to the low side here down to the S1. It's already touched yesterday's lows, maybe even a bigger correction, but I expect chop pretty much than the Aussie dollar. And finally, Canadian dollar. Before I do that, I really do need to look at oil. It's about $42, is it? 42.50. So it's still down there, oil. So let's have a look at the Canadian dollars responding to that. And as it should be, relatively, it has been pushing back up there. There's certainly room for more correction. It's put a higher low in. It's a bit more confirmed in that respect, but we will have the daily pivot just below us there. So move back to that is certainly possible. And then any bounce off that sort of area, well, look for yesterday's highs, R1, etc. So that's why I'd be looking there. Let's just have a look at the bigger time frames again. I have got this 200 daily 200. It may stall things a little bit. It's the underside touch, so just need to be aware if it does pull back. See how far it does. May have a bigger correction here. Okay, that's pretty much it for me. News-wise, there's very little news out today that's likely to affect us. So we've already had New Zealand data out through the Asian session there, so nothing really to report that I expect any large volatility from. So have a great day. Bye for now.